Here I have DUODUOGO J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So first of all, what you have to do is to open Settings, then you have to enter Security section, then go to the Screen Lock, then you have to select the last option, In-Screen Fingerprint. Then what you have to do is to put the finger on the home page key, raises the finger, please repeat this process until the input completes. Suggests adjusts the finger posture each time presses. Let's try to do something like this. As you can see, I'm making progress with putting your finger on the home page key and lift your finger. And fingerprint added, and now I can unlock my device with my fingerprint. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.